What is up, guys? You're watching Hook and Reel Outdoors. If you're new to this channel, I'm your boy Andreas. This channel is all about fishing, hunting, and any outdoor activity. Today you guys are watching a special video about my special mud boat, and I can't be more excited to show you guys everything. This boat came with a 23 horsepower Vanguard motor. It's got a Go Devil frame on it. When I first got this motor, guys, the motor was not working. I had to do a couple of things on it. Wire mess everywhere on the side. I had to completely do the wire harness. I had to change the starter, changed out this front cover, and guys, it was free because the boat came with a spare motor. I'm gonna start this motor so you guys get an idea of what it sounds like. Up in the front, guys, I got my 24-inch light bar and my navigation lights. I don't like how the LED ones don't wrap around the front of the boat, so I'm heavily relying on the little small one, and I think I'm gonna take those off eventually and just leave the small one up there. I got the trolling motor mount. I test fitted the trolling motor that I got with the boat, and it works just fine. Connectors work just fine as well. Now, talking about space and flooring, my flooring on this boat is so nice. It's got aluminum flooring all the way down the boat. I got plenty of space up here to fit a medium sled and a whole bunch of decoys. On the front, I have a storage compartment that I already have about 6 life jackets inside it. If I wanted to fit more stuff in there, I can definitely organize them and make it fit. I want to eventually put a latch on it and open and close it. But here, I got plenty of space behind the cooler, as you can see from my feet. And in the back, I have my gas container. It's a 6.6 gallon tank. I got the battery, and I'm not sure if I ever have to move it up in the front. I still got the space to do it. Now, that is pretty much it, guys, for the whole video. I'm glad you guys sat around and watched it. If you guys like the content, give a like, subscribe, and guys, just remember I traded this boat in for a 2008 Honda Foreman. It was an old four-wheeler that I feel like I got a good trade on. You know, the boat wasn't working at first, and don't forget though, the boat came with a spare motor, decoys. It came with a $150 duck call. It came with a $150 layout blind. It came with so much stuff that I'm so ready to go hunt, you know. Guys, there's so many videos coming for big duck season. I'm so excited to do it, and this is my second season that I'm actually hunting, and now I actually have a boat, so I'm gonna be able to get to those spaces that I've never been to. I haven't driven this boat, I haven't taken it out. So the next videos to come, I will definitely make sure to record them and give you guys an update on how it drives. And hopefully you guys are stay tuned enough to be able to watch those videos to come. And guys, like I said, if you liked it, leave a like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace.